my name is Simon Desbruslais. I'm going to be playing trumpet tomorrow in Murray Edwards College in Cambridge. It's going to include the live world premiere of a new piccolo trumpet work by Ewan Campbell. This is a really extraordinary piece that charts the journey of a melting iceberg. It's also going to be followed by Berrioz's Sequenza number 10. Now, Berrios wrote this incredible sequence of pieces for single instruments to explore their untapped capabilities using a variety of extended techniques. What's special about the Berrios Sequenza number 10 for trumpet is it also includes the piano, but the piano never plays a note. It's only piano resonance. So what the pianist does is he or she holds down the notes of the piano without actually creating the sound, and the lid of the piano is open. Every now and then the trumpet will play into the lid of the piano and make those specific keys that are being held down resonate. So you get this incredible shimmering effect underneath the trumpet. It is one of the most important pieces for the trumpet written in the 20th century. It's really demanding and long. It's about 20 minutes long. So it's going to be a really big recital. But I do hope you can join me and maybe have a chat with me afterwards. Hope to see you there.